About once in a generation, an opportunity comes along that's just different. It feels different. It sounds different. It begins as an idea and quickly evolves into a movement. Introducing Epic Trading, the next generation of Forex education combined with an unprecedented financial opportunity that is exciting people from around the world. Aren't you tired of hearing about great opportunities when it's too late? Shouldn't you be first at least once in your life? What exactly is Forex? Forex stands for foreign exchange. It is the largest financial market in the world, trading more than $6 trillion a day. In its simplest form, Forex is the act of buying and selling currencies and is used daily by banks, central banks, institutional investors, and individuals around the world. The Forex market trades 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Forex is a portable skill. This means you could take this training and knowledge with you anywhere for the rest of your life. It's just like learning to ride a bike. Once you get it, you'll never forget it. Epic Trading is a US-based company specializing in Forex education and training. Epic has partnered with some of the most gifted and dynamic traders from around the world to provide Epic scholars the experience-based know-how to teach everyone from beginners to advanced traders. Winning is a habit, it's a mindset, and with more than 100 years of successful business, entrepreneurial, and direct sales experience, Epic's executive team is accustomed to winning at the highest levels and has the expertise to become the global market leader in the Forex training and home-based business space. A doctor is only as good as the quality of his or her instruments. A pilot is only as effective as the quality of his or her aircraft. Similarly, as a home-based business professional, you are only as good as the tools you have to work with. Well, Epic has all of the tools you will need to grow a large, substantial business. We have enhanced data security, comprehensive fun and professional Forex training, weekly pay, accurate back-office tracking and reporting. We're building a strong culture and will provide frequent communications from the executive team. Our services will soon be available in multiple languages. We have effective compliance to protect the longevity of your business. We're providing you with first-class marketing tools and branding campaigns. We have the industry's most powerful marketing system to help you build a strong social media presence. Epic has even more unprecedented advantages. It has been written that a wise man leaves an inheritance to his children's children. Your years of helping others succeed and building a business that is now rewarding you with significant residual income should be protected. Introducing Epic Estates. Epic Estates allows you to pass the residual income you build here with Epic to your loved ones via your will or estate plan, securing your financial legacy, providing peace of mind to those who need it the most. People have paid tens of thousands of dollars for the same type of training and services that Epic provides at a fraction of the cost. We offer live trading sessions that allow you to look over the shoulders of seasoned, world-class Forex trading professionals to get an inside glimpse of the same charts, patterns, strategies, and setups that they see in real time and make the same trades. Through our Epic News Network, we provide daily mentorship in real time from trade experts, including action steps that you can implement in your spare time to accelerate your success. Through our Epic Forex Signals, we provide our active scholars trade ideas and alerts recommended by our team of trading experts. At Epic University, you will find more than 25 different video modules that helps prepare and educate students, whether you are a novice or advanced trader. Did you miss a session or a training? Epic introduces Study Hall, which provides you with access to the content that you may have missed, and a live question and answer segment with live trading experts. Epic Trade House is our online community where you can share thoughts, ideas, and even ask questions and be answered in real time by team leaders, the trade experts, and engage with fellow peers 24/7. We know that sometimes the hardest part of building a home-based business is marketing to your friends and family. Have you ever wished that you had a tool that was created by top industry professionals and actually used by top money earners to explode their businesses? Well, consider your wish granted. Introducing freeforex.com, the industry's most powerful online lead generation and online marketing system. With freeforex.com, you get multiple pre-designed lead capture pages to choose from, a full, complete, and simple-to-use back office. You can actually give away 3 free trade signals per week to prospects. You can create and establish powerful social media engagement. This marketing system uses Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, and retargeting integration to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Your marketing system will communicate with your prospects from multiple touch points using a variety of emails and much, much more. And the best part is that this marketing system is made available to you at no extra cost. It is included in your monthly IBO fee. Now that's epic. Please take time to read the Epic Compensation Plan disclaimer. But in short, at Epic, any and all income projections shown in the forthcoming compensation plan should not be considered as guarantees or projections of your actual earnings or profits. Financial success with the company results only from your active participation in successful marketing efforts, which do require work, commitment, and diligence on your part. So, we have epic leadership, epic training. What else could there be? Oh, that's right. Don't forget about the Epic Compensation Plan. This plan is widely regarded as one of the simplest, yet most powerful and lucrative referral-based compensation plans ever. Now, remember, our compensation plan is totally optional, meaning you do not have to participate. If you only want to learn the awesome skill of trading Forex and keep this as your best-kept secret, no problem. But if you want to share this with a few friends and family members, then take a look. The Epic Compensation Plan is based on the concept of 3. Share the great news about what you're learning at Epic with 3 people. When they enroll as scholars, you will be considered as their personal sponsor. Great job! As you can see, you will never be required to personally sponsor more than 3 people to access all levels of the Epic Compensation Plan. Each person has 3 legs or teams to build. Place Scholar 1 in Leg 1, Scholar 2 in Leg 2, and Scholar 3 in Leg 3. Congratulations, you are officially an Epic founder. There are great benefits to becoming an Epic founder. Now that you've enrolled 3 scholars, simply upgrade to an independent business owner, and your monthly scholar fees are waived. Wow! Want to share Epic with even more people? We thought you would. As your team grows, you can earn additional amounts of residual income on a weekly basis. We are sure that there is a level somewhere in the Epic Compensation Plan that has captured both your imagination and attention. Here at Epic, we understand that our most valuable asset is you. We want you to have experiences and awards that recognize your hard work, commitment, and dedication. Our Epic Rewards program includes diamond recognition rings, all expenses paid trips to some of the world's most exotic locations, Rolex Timepiece Awards, and yes, for those of you who truly desire to become epic, a black and gold themed Lamborghini can be yours. There's much, much more to our rewards program, but we thought this was just enough to get your heart beating just a little bit faster. Are you ready to become epic? Are you ready to learn a skill that you will retain for the rest of your life? Are you ready to challenge yourself, set new goals, meet new people, and take your life to the next level? Then simply get back with the person who invited you to watch this video. Become an Epic Scholar for just $99.99 and start sharing the power of Forex trading with your friends and family. When you're ready to start making money in the Epic Compensation Plan, just upgrade to an independent business owner for $24.99. Your monthly subscription will always remain $99.99. Welcome to the world's ultimate trading and lifestyle community. Why be average when you could be epic? Please get back with the person who referred you to this video and start your epic journey today.